This is Chris and Kai's cooking show. How's it going, guys? I am Chef Chris. As you can see, Chef Kai's not here. He's at his other grandparents' house, just enjoying life. Why are you here tonight, Chris? It's Saturday. Well, I have to go to the Sleepy Hollow Renaissance Fair tomorrow. Not sure I'm gonna have time. Thought, what better day to starting to get cool out? Let's make some chili. I made that as chili dogs not too long ago, and I'm gonna tell you what, they were a hit at work. A couple people might have said, "Hey, Chris, those are the best chilies I've had in a while." So we're gonna do that, but we're gonna spice it up a little bit. I've got a lot going on here, and we're gonna get it all mixed together. So the bet for this chili is going to be, as always, my favorite Dude Perfect jalapeno bacon pinto beans. A little maple in there, so it's a little sweet. Somebody commented last time that really made it that much better. So we're gonna start 5 cans of those bad boys. I also want to just apologize now if your team lost this weekend. My team did not. So that's good. Go Wildcats. Alright, so 5 cans. What else are we working with? Well, I thought I would spice things up a little bit, give it some extra flavor. We got 2 head of garlic that I roasted. I roasted them with the smokeshow. This is 450K on Scoville units. It's a good chipotle flavor. It does have Reaper in it too, so it is it's a mess. We'll just say that, but it's a good mess. I like the flavor. It's just super hot, so I'm not trying to kill myself. Roasted it on the garlic. I've got some right here. I've also got some chipotles and adobo. I emptied the chipotles out of this one. Most of the chipotles. If you've been following my videos at all, you know that I absolutely love the chipotles and adobo. I just love the adobo with the chipotle flavor. So I've got a couple of chipotles in here that I left in this one. We're gonna put that together. And we're gonna add this to the chipotles just to make things good. Alright, this food processor works fast. So we're going to toss this in there. That'll help me eat a little less of the tomato sauce for sure. Try and get as much of this out of there as possible. Now, not gonna lie, that little bit I just put in there is probably pretty atomic. So, I gotta watch myself because my eyes have been pretty itchy. I've got a small can of tomato paste. This is a roasted garlic version, because you can never have too much garlic. Last time I didn't use tomato paste, so I don't know, maybe I didn't need it. It just looked good, honestly. Just stirred. Somewhat soupy as it sits. Alright, so now meat. What are we using for meat? Well, this is going to be a meaty ass chili today. Excuse my French. I've got 2 pounds of ground sirloin and I stopped at Sierra Grande and got some more meat to go with it. Just judging by it right now, this is probably enough meat. Just saying. This is meat with chili though. I've got 2 pounds of the taco meat from Sierra Grande. Thought about seasoning it with their marinade, but I just decided to go against it. So, let's see where we're at with that. That looks good. I've got 1 onion plus about a quarter or a third of an onion. Last time I don't feel like I used enough onion, but also not the spiciest onion that I've had, so what we're gonna do here is just take these bad boys, squish them on into there. Gotta be super careful because, oh, that's hot too. Not only is it hot, but it can tear me up later. I have a habit of just scratching my eyes all the time, so we don't want that. So, I'm going to go with this one like this. Yikes. And we're going to go with 30 ounces of just your regular tomato sauce. Whatever you like is up to you. Try and get the rest of this garlic. Let's just try and make a mess everywhere with the garlic. It's almost like a garlic paste the way it comes out of these things. Oh yeah. All right. Okay, so let's get this stirred in there. Now I did say meaty, right? Because if 2 pounds of sirloin wasn't enough, and 2 pounds of taco meat wasn't enough, well, we're gonna try something different here, folks. Let's get the seasonings in here first though. I've got about 6 tablespoons of the chili powder that I use. It's Malcoms. It's from a barbecue store. At least that's where I got it last time. That seemed to work out perfect last time. I've got 2 tablespoons of the bacon chili, green chili rub. Last time I used a little extra, but I think I used too much of that last time. So I'm just gonna put in a tablespoon of the Creole garlic butter, Cajun seasoning. That's Heath Riles. His stuff is amazing too. And we're just gonna mix this up. Get this seasoning mixed up in here while we're getting running out of room. Definitely gonna need a little bit more tomato sauce for this bad boy. I prepared today. Got 1 more giant can. I was hoping for a smaller can, but anyways. All right, Chris, what is our secret today? Secret meat. Carnitas. Basically, it's a savory pulled pork. And it's heated up already, so I don't even have to cook it. Which doesn't hurt my feelings at all. So, let's get about half of this other can of tomato sauce in there. We're just gonna pull some of this carnitas apart. The guy at Sierra Grande, he's like, I've never heard anybody using that in there. You probably could. Well, I'm like, probably it's matters on whether I like it or not. I tried it. It's pretty salty, so I will not be adding any salt to this bad boy. I've had about a pound of this. It's a little more than I wanted to put in here, so I might not use it all. Not gonna lie, this stuff's pretty tasty. Nice and fatty. Gonna keep these chunks a little bigger. Like I said, this is gonna be a meaty chili. Yeah, we'll get this in there. Why not? Why not, Chef Chris? Why not? That one's mine. All right. Now that I've completely messed up the kitchen that somebody cleaned for me yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, somebody spoiled me yesterday and cleaned my kitchen. Better than I cleaned it. All right, so I think I am definitely gonna add this little bit of tomato sauce that's left. Not gonna add any salt or pepper to this. Honestly, I've got enough seasoning. And with the carnitas, should be A1 perfect. Now, I'm gonna grab a little spoon. Not a fork. All right. See where we're at with the flavor. Okay. I can go with that. I can definitely go with that. Definitely got a kick to it. Might have been able to use half of the chipotle 450K, but I'm not gonna lie, it's probably not gonna be too hot after I cook it. So, let me get one more bite and see what we're playing with. Yeah. That's flavorful. Yeah, give you a little money shot of that chili before I start cooking it. Turning it on. We got it on high for 4 hours. Probably about that time I'll turn it down. That's all it is, guys. Yeah, that's got a kick to it. That's just the way I like it. So, hopefully the guys that I'm sharing this with will enjoy it as well. Anyways, guys, we will catch you in about 4 hours. Give it a good taste test. Maybe not even have to. It's good as it is. But we'll see what it looks like in 4 hours, guys. Alright, this is Chris and Kai's Cooking Show. I'll be back. Alright, guys. I am back. As you know, Chris and Kai's Cooking Show. Made some chili. About to try it out. It hasn't been 4 hours. This has been on a high. It is definitely a bubbling mess. So, just throwing this out here, it was pretty good. I haven't tried it since it heated up, but we're going to go ahead and get in on the action. Now, normally I'll plate this up and I'll start gobbling down on it, but I'm not eating this tonight. There's stuff in here that will destroy me tomorrow. Last thing I want is to be destroyed at the Renaissance Fair. So, get a money shot on that perfect bite of chili. Alright, first off, the heat's about right. May have forgotten to get crackers. Did not forget to get cheese though. So this chili with some cheese is going to be fantastic. Just throwing this out there that this week it's going to be some good chili. So if you're on my list of people who gets food, expect some good stuff. That's all I have. I'm going to get this edited and uploaded. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. I got big plans tonight, so let's have a good weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Chris and Kai's Cooking Show. Have a good weekend, guys.